Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic, will ants ruin compost? In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants can ruin compost by killing the beneficial worms, removing food from bins and promoting the growth of plant damaging aphids. You can get rid of ants from compost by adding sticky traps on bins, regular management, covering the bins, adding parasitic nematodes, using aromatic herbs or boric acid. Add diatomaceous earth, coffee ground, and earth to bins. Ant species determine their role in composting, as aggressive species can harm the population of worms and insects, while others come inside bins to get food from scraps. Ants get attracted to compost bin because they contain food material for these tiny insects. Rotting fruits, vegetables, leftovers, leaves, yard waste, hair or fur, and eggshells. Most commonly, it contains kitchen and yard waste that can draw ants to the bins, as they detect the odor of the decomposing waste material and reach there in a short time. The warmth of bins favors their survival and attracts them to get inside the containers and multiply. These insects usually have a negative impact in the decomposing process in different ways. The carnivorous ant species can kill the worms or other insects thriving inside, while the herbivorous species can consume the plant food material. They have to break the complex carbohydrates using their teeth and saliva, but the decomposing food material requires lesser effort, so they can decrease the amount of food material within containers. Furthermore, they are known to create pest problems, as they promote aphid growth on the plant, which is known to cause damage to leaves and stems. Accordingly, removing these damaging insects from the waste material heaps and getting rid of their nest in the garden or surrounding areas is better. Ants eat plants and animals for nutrition depending on their dietary habits, as some herbivorous insects choose plant-based food to get energy. The carnivorous ant species can attack the insects, worms, and other smaller creatures in the compost bin to eat them for nutritional purposes. Accordingly, the worms in the bins are not a primary choice for most ant species, as they prefer to eat fruits and vegetables loaded with natural sugars. They are not responsible for directly killing the worms, but can make them devoid of nutrients, as the competition for food resources increases when both are interested in the same food type. Moreover, the carnivorous species of these ants are known to kill small and young worms and restrict their growth at juvenile stages, as it is challenging to get control over bigger ones. The aggressive or hungry insects can also kill or take their eggs when they need a protein-rich diet, affecting their population within a bin, so these can kill worms and affect the process. It is essential to get rid of ants from the garden, cover compost bins, and uncover heaps of waste material because they affect the decomposition process. One of the preventive measures is to check the ant infestation before adding waste material to a bin, as there is a possibility of insects in the twigs, trash, wooden flakes, and kitchen waste. You can avoid undesired increase of ants in the compost by choosing a bin with a lid. Covering the bin can help reduce their population at a maximum extent. It can help keep the smell of decomposing waste material within the container, attracting insects to it. I always use a trash can with a lid, as it keeps the odor of rotting fruits and vegetables restricted to a bin that seems pleasant to ant receptors. A loose lid can provide entryways for these tiny creatures to sneak into the trash cans through gaps, so a tight lid can solve the infestation problem. Regular management of compost heaps includes turning over, because these insects can build nests within the pile of trash and begin to lay eggs in undisturbed habitats. You can mix the material properly with a shovel or any other rod. It leads to disturbance in their colonies when these insects begin to run by perceiving it as a threat. In addition, keep adding more waste material and mix the material thoroughly using any suitable object. Their eggs cannot develop properly without adult insects, as they need attention and care. Mixing the material can spread the scent of compost and reduce the possibility of attraction. Moreover, you have to check the temperature regularly, as these insects keep looking for a warm spot but cannot tolerate high temperatures like 130 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching the video.